I don't know why I'm so giddy about this, but I am. If Little Debbie desserts were a staple of your childhood, like they were mine, this next recipe is for you. We're taking the beloved Cosmic Brownies and turning them into homemade, no-churn ice cream. Karli Bitner is here sharing her recipe for the Cosmic Brownie inspired ice cream that I'm gonna say wins summer. It's good to see you.
It's good to see you too.
I'm not gonna be embarrassed about it.
No.
I love myself some Little Debbie.
I do too.
Right?
They're all good.
And everyone's
can't go
excited
wrong.
about the Little Debbie brownie that is
on
our kitchen counter today. Totally inspired this recipe. Yes?
Yeah, so Little Debbie actually came out with like a whole line of ice cream flavors.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so you can get them at Walmart. Cosmic Brownie is one of them.
Okay.
But I'm like, I could do this.
I can do
I can
this.
do this. Anybody could do this.
Yeah.
And it's so good.
Okay.
And mine's better. Mine's a little better.
You heard it here. How do we do it?
You know?
How do we do it?
Okay, so first we make like an eggless brownie batter.
Okay.
And then we make an ice cream base and we mix them together.
So the brownie batter is in the ice cream.
Right, so it's like literally brownie batter ice cream.
Love it.
It's so good. So I'm going to work on this over here.
Okay.
If you want to work on the ice cream base.
What am I doing?
So I just use this to measure. We need 3/4 of a cup of this whole milk, so just measure up to the 2 cups.
To the what? Oh, the
To
cup.
the 2 cups
I was
right
looking
there.
at the ounces.
Okay, you're good.
Got
you're
it.
good. And then add the rest.
Sugar.
And blend that up.
Brown
Yep.
sugar, vanilla.
Yep, and over here, I'm just going to add in all of these ingredients. It's just butter, salt, cocoa powder, vanilla, some sugar, heavy cream, and I'm just gonna mix that together.
Okay.
And then once I get this mixed together,
I mean, no pressure.
I'll try to go as fast as I
There's
can.
just Cosmic Brownie ice cream at stake. No, this is amazing. Do you make homemade ice cream a lot at your house?
So, not usually, but this summer I've kind of gotten into a little kick.
Been your thing?
Yeah, and so I did like the nutty bars. So it's
Oh.
a peanut butter ice cream with like a fudge swirl.
Stop it.
That one's real good.
This is a mean conversation to have any time, but especially right before
Right
lunch.
before
because
lunch,
Now
I
ice
know.
cream is for lunch. Is that's
Yeah,
how I'm
that's what
feeling.
I'm thinking too. Okay.
Okay.
So get this mostly mixed,
Yeah.
and then we're going to just put this into, I don't know if there's a graceful way to do this.
No, just go for it. A messy kitchen is a happy kitchen,
It
right?
is.
I was saying today's show is the happiest show on earth. We've got Cosmic Brownies, we've got birthday traditions, we've got
Yeah.
baby showers.
We've got all the happy things.
Yes.
And then we're going to just blend this all together.
Okay.
So put that lid on and
got
then
it.
pulse it until it's all blended and thick.
How do we feel about that?
That is it.
What?
That's it.
Done and done?
Done and done. So what you're going to do now, because it's no churn,
Uh-huh.
is you're just going to pour this into like a glass container that can go in the freezer.
Okay.
And then every hour, you just go out and stir it a little bit for like 3 hours. And then you put in little Cosmic Brownie chunks.
I was gonna say.
And then the rainbow chocolate chips, you know?
There it is. That's what I was asking.
Yeah,
Because we can't
those
have
go in
Cosmic
there.
Brownie anything without. Where do you get these?
You can get them like at Hobby Lobby. You can get them on Amazon. You know, all the things.
Karli, you're the best. Cosmic Brownie ice cream inspired by Little Debbie. Don't hit the freezer aisle. Use
Yeah.
Karli's recipe. How do we get this recipe and others from you?
So the recipe is on my website, cookingwithkarli.com. You can find me that handle, Instagram, TikTok, all of the places. So Cooking with Karli.
Cooking with Karli with a K.
K and an I.
With a K and an I. Don't forget it. We'll link you over for our website. Thanks for bringing your
Of
childhood
course.
into ice cream dreamland. We
Of
appreciate
course.
it.